Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject and term 3, lesson 3, air we breathe. In this video, we will learn about a new topic, pollutions. Our environment provides air to breathe, water to drink and land to provide food. Due to industrial process and increasing the number of automobiles, our environment is badly affected nowadays. So there is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. So in this process is also known as pollution. Once again, there is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. These properties are changed is called as pollutions. In this video, you will learn about air pollutions.
Let us brief about the pollutions. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water and land. Who invented the pollution? The Coluxia Core first records evidence of pollutions from Inga metallurgy around 1480 in the form of trace amounts of bismuth likely released in the atmosphere during the creation of bismuth, an alloy which has been recovered from the Inga citadel at Machu Picchu. Who is affected by pollution? The groups most affected by air pollution are people of color, elderly residents, children with uncontrolled asthma, and people living in poverty. Vulnerable populations may experience more health effects because these populations already have higher rates of heart and lung conditions. What is the importance of pollutions? Reducing pollutants in the air is important for human health and environment. Poor air quality has harmful effects on human health, particularly the respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Pollutants can also damage plants and buildings, and smoke or haze can reduce visibility. Air pollutions. We have listed 10 common air pollution causes along with the effects that have serious implications on your health on a daily basis. First one, the burning of fossil fuels. Second one, industrial emissions. Third one, indoor air pollutions. Fourth one, wildfires. Then fifth one, microbial decaying process. The next one, transportations. Then next one, open burning of garbage waste. Then last one, construction and demolition. Human air pollution is caused by things such as factories, power plants, cars, airplanes, chemicals, fumes from spray cans, and methane gas from landfills. One of the ways the humans cause the most air pollution is by burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels include coal, air, and natural gas. On days when high particle levels are expected, take these extra steps to reduce pollutions. The first way, reduce the number of trips you take in your car. Reduce or eliminate fireplace and wood stove use. Third one, avoid burnings, leaves, trash and other materials. Then fourth one, avoid using gas powdered lawn and garden equipment. These are the points about the reduce pollutions. Why should we prevent pollutions? Pollution prevention protects the environment by conserving and protecting natural resources while strengthening economic growth through more efficient protection in industry and less need for households, businesses and communities to handle. Do you know, children, which country has no pollution? The cleanest country is Sweden. The least polluted country is Sweden with overall score of 2.8 by 10. The amount of carbon dioxide is 3.83 tons per capita per year and the concentration of PM2. Finland and France. Finland shares second place with France with a score of 3.5 by 10. These countries has no pollutions in this world. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.